So off they go. Down South Africa as Kriel gets it across to Thundermerva, makes a good burst. Kriel goes again, and look at that. From well inside their own half, Kriel, his second try of the final.
The advantage for the Rebels coming into that maul from the side. Little chip forward from Werner for Kriel.
And he's got Kriel, and Kriel, well, he's got plenty of green jerseys, but at the moment he's running away from them, but he doesn't need them. A second try for Kriel.
Shape to make his throw. In the end, no contest. Beautiful chip over to Kriel! Oh, sensational from the Bulls.
LaRue. Eben got the ball away. Good work by Kriel! Oh, the man on debut will score a sensational try for the Springboks.
Yes, ball was out.
The ball's out, says the referee. Good line speed from South Africa, and they've got possession. Here's Kriel, puts it on the toe. Cheslin Colby, it sits up for him.
Options for Page as Kriel offers himself, busting through the Lions' defence. He'll go and score for the Bulls.
To the short side where there's an extra man. Kriel. Lovely shot, the ball from Kriel. Second one for the Bulls.
This contest, Etzebeth to Woki. Look at that line speed again from Kriel.
Fun sail. Worked out by Nyakani. Now the burst from Kriel. It'll be a sprint for the line, and the Springbok centre gets the Bulls' second try.
Three, ships it to the right. And they're over, it's Kriel.
Ardendorf. Page, nicely timed pass, and here goes Kriel. Kriel will carry it all the way, and the Bulls now going into... Well, that was a dreadful mistake by Pollard looking for distance, but this isn't a mistake by Kriel. This is going to take the Bulls into the lead. Vansel probing, Kriel, oh beautiful. Kriel has the crowd on their feet and gets his first Absa Currie Cup try. And now here goes Kriel. Kriel, nobody will come near him. And can you imagine it, that conversion for
Papier, Woodendal, straight to the middle. Kriel will go all the way.
Quick hands and huge line speed there again from Kriel. Chip over the top for Etzebeth. Etzebeth has it, and he gets away, and Kriel puts him on the deck.
Better line out. Steadkamp sends it out to Potter. Dab over the top looking for Kriel. There's a bounce. It's good. Kriel
goes to stay, but he's not thinking drop goal there. He's thinking Kriel, and he's thinking try. South Africa can't stop thinking tries.
So they go back to this tight side through Pollard. Kriel, they got numbers now. Good pass. Kriel. That looks like a try. It is. Jesse Kriel. High hand again.
Pollard taking it flat now. Jesse Kriel on the outside. Corner Hendricks. The ball for Fountain space. Inside ball for Jesse Kriel. Easy as that.
This South African line speed's been causing problems all evening for France.
From the Springboks and Konya, over the top it goes. Kriel kicks ahead, and the race is on. Rule gives the Australians a bit of a push in the back, and they're going to check this one, I think.
Picked up by Unger on the half volley. Oh, space here. 2-on-1.
Now South Africa looking to work an overlap here. Pollard, away it goes to Kriel. Peterson back in field, and it's a try to Jesse Kriel.
What now?
It is route one.
Oh, brilliant pass.
Jesse Kriel for the corner.
On the outside, Page finds Portpeter, JJ at the back, the pass not a good one, the jungle, it's brilliant! Jesse Kriel!
Jenkins sending it out to Pollard. That's a great ball from Pollard. And Jesse Kriel levels the scores with the conversion to come.
Play, and Cozy carries it up to the line. Kabir once more, and here comes Jesse Kriel. Great try for South Africa. What a start for the Springboks.